Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So more tails on Friday, and yesterday we got a fairly decent engulfing bar to the upside here. So moving averages are still flat on the 8 hours, so we'll take this with a big pinch of salt right now, but it does look a little bit promising that we're going to get a direction. And for me, line in the sand right now is 38,656. That's kind of what we've been flirting with for 2 weeks now. Now, if we get down to the 3 hour, you can see last week's price action. Really nothing in there that I want to get involved on. And you can see this double bottom here, the double bottom on the oscillators, big engulfing, inside bar, neckline is right here where we've broken through into the level we've just spoken about, 38,656. So a retest of that would give us an opportunity to the upside. However, look at my oscillators, not looking very promising, and at the same time we are flirting with an upper level here at 38,900. So don't see anything there that I'd be interested in, and if I drop down to the hour, then it changes ever so slightly, because we're looking for an opportunity to be long, and I just want to put a couple of these levels in. So there are multiple levels here, which is normally the case with chaos like this. Okay, so I'd be interested to see price action at a couple of levels. So 38,778 is a fairly interesting level. There's quite a bit of structure there, but there is a gap lower down here. Oh, very, very small gap. I'll have a look at that on the 15 minutes, I think, before we make our decision. Yeah, there's a gap all the way down there at 38,546. That's not a gap. But this is a gap here, very small gap. And that is 38,692, so 38,700. Oh, there's even more gaps from Friday still open as well. Okay, so there is a strong, let's say it's reasonable, not strong, there's a reasonable probability that we are going to move back down to color some gaps, and that would be somewhere around 38,678. You can see between 38,722, 38,678 area is a fairly decent zone of support. So first price for me is pull back into this zone, inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars on the level. Then I'd be looking for an opportunity to the upside. The hour moving averages have crossed over, so fairly strong possibility of that. If we start breaking through this area, then I would assume that we're coming all the way back down to test something like that at 38,400. For me, ideally, what I'd like to see, and this is going to be on the 8 hour really, is I'd like to see us get up above 38,900. I'd like to see us come back and test that area and then get going. So for now, this is still barbed wire, so I will be sitting quietly and waiting for better structure still. Anyway, that's kind of me for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.